Hello guys, what's good, what's popping? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome. So today it's my first time vlogging. I'm in Bulawayo right now, and I thought why not just make a vlog for you guys. So it's my first day in Bulawayo. I just woke up. That's why you see my face looking like this. So yeah, I just woke up and I'm just gonna take you through my day with me. I hope you're gonna enjoy. It's my first time vlogging, so I'm just going to insert a few clips that I took when I was coming here yesterday, just to show you guys some parts of Zimbabwe to those who are out of Zimbabwe, and for those who haven't been to Bulawayo from Harare. Yeah, I got you. I've got a few clips that I took when I was coming here. So today is my first day in Bulawayo. I'm so excited. I'm going to be showing you my room, a room tour kind of. Yeah, so after that I'm going to take you outside and I'm going to take you to the gym. Then I'm going to take you for breakfast and then I'll start my day. So catch you up guys later.
Yo Billy girl there
Simplex
Sounds Melik. Yo Simplex Beauty and brains welcome Tarisa. Miss independent no dinakita. Melanin skinny no dibatita. Umisha wa mwari vashiratita. I see this male, I see this male. I say manga, I say munu wese. 1 in a million, 1 in a million. The garanda kapera, we are with the bets. Show me that you love me, girl. You and I, we love her. You know you mine. Tell me that you need me, girl. You and I, we love her. You know you mine. Nino temba niwe. Mudiwa wangu nina mirandewe. Nino temba niwe. Nino temba niwe. Mudiwa wangu nina mirandewe. Nino temba niwe. Alright then, top in the summer, we no pizza like that. My man, I'm only deep and the body that's smart. Miss Africa, muno topa my chance. Chipata pata wato sing up a spot. Me put it a kuningere Mexican, Brazilian, Italian. Havana no Kumori African, Zimbabwean, not American. Sakanochka. Hey, Kukutore Rwananga boys, Vanenge Valley online. Hey, Akufandiro, Benekuti Wanira, Nina Temba Newe. Mudiwa wangu nina mira newe. Nina Temba Newe. Nina Temba Newe. Mudiwa wangu nina mira newe. Nina Temba Newe. Beauty and brains welcome Tarisa. Miss independent no dinakita. Melanin skinny no dibatita. Umisha wa mwari.
Hello guys, so yeah, I'm gonna take you outside and then we're gonna come back and I'm just gonna show you the whole room. I'm excited. Let's go.
We love her, you know you mine. Tell me that you need me, girl. You and I, we love her, you know you mine. Nino temba niwe.
Welcome to Sethule, guys. Can you see? Can you see? So look at this view, guys. Like, Bulawayo is a beautiful place, guys. Like, it's a beautiful place. Look at this. Look at this. And we have a pool. And there is a car park that side. So this is my room. I'm gonna take you. One, 2, 3. There we go. This is my room from the outside. Let's get in. So my bed right now, I know it's a mess, but just don't mind that. I have a fridge, 2 glasses, and my 2 cups, the jug, and my goodies over here. Unfortunately, there was nothing in the fridge except for water. And that's my juice bottle there. Don't mind what's in there. I took some ice cream when I went for dinner last night. I couldn't eat it. I hope it's gonna be, you guys, if you don't know, I love ice cream so much. Like I'm gonna have it sometime today. So yeah, so I have met over there, my desk, my PC, and the mirror. Hey. So I'm already ready for gym. As you can see, I'm just gonna have to just brush my teeth and leave. Okay, fine, let's complete the room tour. Another side table here. I don't know if that's the way. Tubes. I have some tubes. Chemicals. Oh, they're almost halfway done. And I have my body wash here with me, my gloss, some little makeup, something, some toiletries in there, and a chair. This chair is so comfortable, guys. Let me show you. Can you see? Can you see how comfy this chair is? And I have a TV. Let's switch it on. High sense. So yeah, a TV for me there. Another mirror, another mirror, another mirror, mirror, another mirror, another mirror, another mirror, another mirror. Don't mind me, guys. So yeah, I have got nice cupboards over here. Like, I don't know if you can see the whole view, but yeah, nice cupboard over there. I'm just gonna show you inside. Please don't mind what's inside. There we go. I have my weekend over there. I didn't unpack, so yeah, that's why you see it's a mess. And I have an extra blanket here, so yeah. Oh, by the way, I have an AC. Can you see that? Yeah. The remote control is over here. Sorry guys, the vlog is all over the place, but it is what it is. No smoking. So yeah, we're gonna go to the bathroom now. So I have a sink here, and okay, there's nothing there. The toilet, the bin. Look at the shower, guys. Look at the shower. That's a towel over there. Can you please ever, like, oh guys, Look, it's so beautiful. I have my towels over here. Let's get in the shower. I want to show you the view outside. Focus. Outside looks like, can you see the climbers? How beautiful. Like, can you see? I'm in love. Look, it's a full body mirror. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, I'm gonna take pictures. So yeah, we're done with the room tour. I'm gonna take you guys to the gym. So yeah, catch you later. Good morning, how are you? I got the keys. I got the keys. Let's go and hit the gym. And hit the gym. And hit the gym. What? What does this sign say? Gym. I keep going straight. Okay. Where to now? Okay, yeah. The gym. He didn't show me the keys, you guys. Like, he just said it's one of these keys. So now I'm gonna have to try all the keys. Can you imagine? Yeah.
A few moments later.
Not this one. Yeah. Finally. So yeah. This is the gym. Oh. It's a cute little gym, y'all, guys. These are just the machines that are there. So yeah, let's hit the gym. Let's go.
uchifamba so wazunza musika boti so nafarira ndikati ndo chipo useri kwenyuku kune chipo mazakwatira sendekera masisangwa uri ndakatendekera musoro wangu wambotenderera pandaktari sandachakumerera saka ndide ndapikira kupinda murufu ndinewe maiwana ndati ndide kudenga ya buruka hana yangu yovunduka kugona une mumwe mudi wanokumbuka ringavaziva rine ngwenda mudi wandinoshambira kusvika ndasvika kuti ndigokuturira rudo rwandakatakura hapana chimwe chandinoraramira muguva newe ndakatopikira hapana chimwe chandino
So guys, I'm done waking out. I'm done waking out. Don't mind me. So I didn't know what I was doing, honestly. But yeah, my muscles feel it. Like they feel like I was doing the job. So that's a win-win for me. I just wanted to, get the energy for the day. So for now, I'm gonna go take a bath, go for breakfast, and start my day. I have a meeting going on today, so hopefully I'll be able to vlog. I'll try my best. I'm a shy person, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to vlog part of the meeting. But yeah, I'm just gonna try my best. So catch you guys later. Bye. This ngarmani ndoratidza vanhu kuti nhasi zviri nani. Dovi I remember ndaisongesa dovi neshuga ndatora tablespoon nedovi, so ndoandati sugar.
Yo, Melik out there.
Simplex.
Sounds Melik. Yo, Simplex. Beauty and brains welcome Charisa. Miss Independent no dinakita. Melanin skinny no dibachita. Umisha wa mwari vashiratita. I see this money. I say manga, I say munu wese. 1 in a million. The garanda kapera, we are with the bets. Show me that you love me, girl. You and I, we love her. You know you mine. Tell me that you need me, girl. You and I, we love her. You know you mine.
Hey, I don't think that is good.
Nino temani we.
Other than that.
Would you want me to be on the way? Nino temani.
Ready? Hello guys, welcome back to the vlog. I just thought I should come here and update you guys. I couldn't vlog throughout the day yesterday because your girl is shy, honestly. I just couldn't do it. It just couldn't happen. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the bits and pieces. So yeah, thank you so much for watching guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Do you love the vlogs, or I should stick to my hair videos? So yeah, I'll hear from you. I hope you did enjoy though. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.